Okay, so this is the second one. I'm going to be using rubbing alcohol. Here, I'll show you the bottle. I apologize for the background noises. My brothers are working on a dirt bike, and my little sister and grandparents are upstairs. But I'm using antiseptic and medic cleanser. And this is rubbing alcohol, as you can see. So I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to give them each an equal shot, as I've already told you. So I'm going to unscrew the lid. And this is it. Oops. Rubbing alcohol. So I'm going to pour it on in exactly 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I'm going to empty the rest of that on there. And put, again, a quarter in here. And put it on there. And I'm going to rub it together, just like I did for the other one. It stings a little bit, because it's originally used to, I don't remember, I guess my mom used to put it on me, so if I had an infected cut or something, she wanted to make sure it wasn't infected. It would sting, so I just thought maybe it'll take out the permanent ink. Now I got about 30 seconds left, so I'm going to talk to you about what I'm going to do. So then for step 1, I had done everything. So then I had put the rubbing alcohol on the cloth. Now it's got about 10 seconds left. Okay. And sorry. But so okay, this one stopped. Sorry. So then we have our nail polish remover. We have our rubbing alcohol, which we also put a quarter cup in, a quarter of half a cup. So I'm going to screw that back on. And again, I'm going to label it so I know which one's which. Rubbing alcohol. So like that. So it's best if you do write the labels on them, so you do know which is which. Now just be very careful when you're doing it. So next I have soapy water. See, it's soapy-ish. 1 second. Just stir it a little bit if it gets less soapy, or it appears to become less soapy. So we have I have it in 1 cup, so I'm going to pour the remains of the rubbing alcohol onto there. I'm going to take and I'm going to pour a quarter of a cup, just like that. And I'm going to make sure these stay intact. So I'm going to put the knife over it. Okay, I am going to do it in a couple, 30 seconds. That's my timer. But anyway, so while we wait for the 30 seconds, I have written all my steps down on here and the the materials you need. But it says you need 1 pair of plastic cleaning gloves, but I'm not wearing any gloves right now because I don't really think they're going to hurt me. So here we go. I'm going to take this one. We're going to take it, pour it on now, and we're going to rub it together now. Usually, if I'm washing my hands, you would rub them together to try and get them to go on it. But I don't know if this one will work because soapy warm water doesn't. When I'm using soapy warm water, it usually doesn't take the whatever I'm trying to get off my hands off, unless it's dirt, etc., that kind of thing. But anyway, so I'm still doing that, and I'm going to, and I'm going to rub it for about 10 more seconds, and then I'm going to place it next to the others. Okay, so right now, as you can see, this was the soapy warm water, which is not soapy right now. Wait, it's a soapy warm water. But then the problem is that it did not get rid of the marker, as you can see. So I'm going to go to yet another piece of paper and write down soapy warm water. Water. And place that right there. Okay. 1 second, just let me dry my hands. Sorry.